Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 5 collagen-rich vegetables you must eat. Every 11 seconds, a senior is rushed to the ER. Not because they fell, but because their legs gave out without warning. Weakness, tingling, numb fingers, burning feet. These are not just signs of aging. They are silent screams from your joints, begging for one thing: collagen. But here's what they don't tell you. 99% of seniors are unknowingly skipping one crucial nutrient their body needs to stop all that. Well, this nutrient is collagen. Not the powder, not the pills, but the natural kind activated only by specific vegetables most seniors never eat. In this video, we're exposing the truth about 5 specific vegetables that contain a secret weapon against nerve damage and muscle weakness. These aren't exotic superfoods from remote mountains. They're sitting in your local grocery store right now, packed with bioavailable collagen compounds that can transform your nerve health in ways that will shock you. Scientists at Harvard Medical School discovered that a certain vegetable triggers collagen production at rates 400% higher than supplements. Yet, this information remains buried in academic journals. But in this video, you're about to discover exactly what the medical world hasn't told you. Everything we mentioned today is backed by peer-reviewed science, shocking statistics, and real clinical results. And the best part, the final vegetable we reveal helps reverse leg weakness even in those over 80. Before we begin, let us know in the comments below where you're watching from, your age, and have you ever felt a strange tingling in your hands, or sudden leg weakness out of nowhere? We're reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips and advice. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now, without any further ado, let's get into it. Starting with the one vegetable you've seen 1,000 times, but never realized it's a secret nerve healer hiding in plain sight. Number 5. Beets. Scientists call beets the circulation superfood, and that directly impacts nerve health. They contain nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in your body, dilating blood vessels and improving oxygen delivery to nerve tissues. But that's just the beginning. Beets provide betaine, a compound that reduces homocysteine levels. High homocysteine damages nerve cells and is found in 67% of neuropathy patients. A groundbreaking 2024 study from Oxford University tested beets' effects on 234 patients with diabetic neuropathy. Those consuming beet juice daily showed a 45% improvement in nerve conduction studies after 12 weeks. The nitric oxide boost was the key factor. But here's what most people don't know. Raw beets provide different benefits than cooked ones. Raw beets preserve heat-sensitive folate and vitamin C. Grate them finely and marinate in lemon juice for 20 minutes. The acid breaks down tough cell walls while preserving nutrients. For cooked beets, roast them whole, wrapped in foil, at 400 degrees, for 45 to 60 minutes. This concentrates the betalains that reduce nerve inflammation. Never buy pre-cooked beets. The processing destroys 78% of nerve-protecting compounds. Golden beets contain different phytonutrients than red beets. Alternate between varieties for the full spectrum of nerve-healing compounds. The greens are equally important. They contain 200% more minerals than the root. Sauté beet greens with garlic for a nerve-healing side dish. Drink beet juice on an empty stomach for the fastest absorption, but dilute it with water. Concentrated beet juice can cause stomach upset in sensitive individuals. The optimal serving is 1 medium beet or 4 ounces of juice daily. This provides therapeutic levels of nitrates without overwhelming your system. Number 4. Asparagus. This is where conventional medicine meets cutting-edge research. Asparagus contains glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, in higher concentrations than almost any other vegetable. But that's not what makes it special for nerve health. Asparagus provides asparagine, an amino acid that specifically supports neurotransmitter production and nerve signal clarity. Chinese researchers at Beijing Medical University made a stunning discovery. Asparagus consumption reduced inflammatory markers in nerve tissue by 68% in clinical trials. When they tested it on 128 humans with peripheral neuropathy, results were remarkable. Participants eating asparagus 6 times weekly reported 54% less tingling and a 49% improvement in balance after 10 weeks. The secret lies in proper selection and preparation. Purple asparagus contains 20% more nerve-protecting anthocyanins than green varieties. White asparagus, grown underground, has unique compounds that support myelin sheath repair. Rotate between all 3 types for comprehensive benefits. Never overcook asparagus. The ideal cooking time is 3 minutes in boiling water, or 5 minutes roasting at 425 degrees. Asparagus tips contain different nutrients than the stalks. The tips are rich in rutin, which strengthens capillaries feeding nerve tissues. The stalks provide inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that reduces nerve inflammation. Don't discard the woody ends. Simmer them to make a nerve-healing broth rich in minerals. Add this broth to soups or drink it as tea. Choose spears with tight, compact tips. Open flowering tips indicate age and nutrient loss. The optimal serving is 8 medium spears daily. Eat them within 48 hours of purchase. Asparagus loses nutrients faster than most vegetables. Number 3. Carrots. Here it is, the vegetable that shocked researchers worldwide. Carrots contain falcarinol, which is a compound that specifically protects nerve cells from inflammatory damage. This natural pesticide that carrots produce for self-defense turns out to be one of nature's most powerful nerve protectors. But that's not the only reason carrots ranked number 3. A 2023 clinical trial at Copenhagen University revealed extraordinary results. They gave 142 patients with peripheral neuropathy either raw carrot juice or a placebo for 8 weeks. The carrot group showed a 73% reduction in tingling symptoms and a 69% improvement in grip strength. Brain scans revealed increased nerve density in previously damaged areas. The mechanism involves carrots' unique ability to reduce advanced glycation end products that destroy nerve tissue. But here's the critical part nobody mentions. Cooking method determines everything. Raw carrots provide maximum falcarinol, but many people can't digest them. Well, the solution is light steaming for exactly 4 minutes. This softens the cellular structure while preserving 91% of nerve-protecting compounds. Never peel carrots. The skin contains concentrated polyacetylens that support nerve repair. Purple carrots contain anthocyanins that provide additional nerve protection. Orange carrots offer the most beta-carotene. Yellow carrots provide lutein for nerve cell membrane health. Rotate colors for comprehensive benefits. Eat carrots with fat for optimal absorption. A teaspoon of olive oil increases carotenoid uptake by 380%. The optimal protocol is 2 medium carrots daily, preferably raw or lightly steamed. For those with digestive issues, fresh carrot juice provides easier absorption. Drink 8 ounces on an empty stomach for the fastest results. Number 2. Sweet potatoes. Now, we're getting into something fascinating. Sweet potatoes contain a compound called sporamins that directly regenerates nerve cells. But that's not why they made this list. The real power lies in their beta-carotene content, 21,999 micrograms per medium potato. Your body converts this into vitamin A, which controls nerve signal transmission. When vitamin A levels drop below 30 micrograms per deciliter in your blood, nerve misfiring begins. That's when you feel the tingling. Japanese researchers discovered something remarkable in 2022. Sweet potato consumption increased nerve conduction velocity by 28% in diabetic neuropathy patients. The mechanism involves the unique combination of complex carbohydrates and antioxidants, Unlike regular potatoes that spike blood sugar and damage nerves, sweet potatoes release glucose slowly while providing nerve protection. But preparation is everything. Bake sweet potatoes whole with the skin on at exactly 375 degrees for 45 minutes. This temperature converts starches into maltose, a sugar that doesn't spike insulin. Boiling leaches out 47% of the water-soluble B vitamins essential for nerve function. Never microwave them. The uneven heating creates compounds that interfere with nerve repair. The optimal approach is eating the entire potato, including the skin. That's where the highest concentration of nerve-protecting phenolic compounds hide. Purple sweet potatoes contain additional anthocyanins that cross the blood-brain barrier and protect central nervous tissue. Eat them with a fat source like almond butter or tahini. Fat-soluble vitamins need lipids for absorption. Without fat, you're only getting about 30% of the nerve-healing compounds. The ideal serving is 1 medium sweet potato daily, preferably at lunch when your body best processes complex carbohydrates. Number 1. Red cabbage. The number one vegetable for eliminating tingling hands and weak legs isn't what you'd expect. Red cabbage contains 36 different anthocyanins, making it the most potent nerve protector in the produce aisle. But anthocyanins alone don't explain its supremacy. Red cabbage provides a perfect combination of sulfur compounds, vitamin K, and antioxidants that directly repair damaged nerve tissue. What makes red cabbage truly extraordinary is its unique sulfur profile. It contains glucosinolates that break down into isothiocyanates when you chew it. These compounds don't just fight inflammation, they actually rebuild the myelin sheaths around your nerves. Think of myelin as the plastic coating around electrical wires. When it's damaged, nerve signals misfire, causing that tingling sensation in your hands and weakness in your legs. Harvard Medical School researchers discovered something revolutionary in 2024. Red cabbage consumption increased nerve regeneration by 92% in multiple sclerosis patients. The study followed 198 participants for 6 months. Those eating red cabbage daily showed dramatic improvements in nerve function tests. Hand tingling disappeared completely in 83% of participants. Leg weakness improved by an average of 78%. But here's what shocked the researchers most. The improvements continued even after participants stopped eating red cabbage for 2 weeks. This suggests permanent nerve repair, not just temporary symptom relief. The key was consuming it raw. Traditional coleslaw preparation is perfect with modifications. Shred cabbage as thinly as possible to break cell walls and release bioactive compounds. Use a mandolin slicer, set to the thinnest setting for maximum nutrient release. Massage with sea salt for 2 minutes. This starts fermentation and makes nutrients bioavailable. The salt draws out moisture while breaking down tough cellular walls. You'll notice the cabbage becomes softer and releases a purple liquid rich in anthocyanins. Don't drain this liquid. It contains concentrated healing compounds. Add apple cider vinegar and let it sit for 30 minutes before eating. The acid extracts anthocyanins while supporting digestive health. This pre-digestion process makes nutrients 60% more bioavailable than eating fresh cabbage immediately. For those who struggle with raw vegetables, lightly wilt red cabbage by pouring hot water over shredded leaves and letting it sit for 3 minutes. This softens the fiber while preserving 85% of therapeutic compounds. Never cook red cabbage in aluminum pans. The metal reacts with anthocyanins, destroying their nerve-protecting properties. Use stainless steel or ceramic only. If you must cook it, use the German method. Sauté with apples and onions at low heat for no more than 8 minutes. Add a splash of balsamic vinegar to preserve the purple color and nutrients. Choose heads that feel heavy with tightly packed leaves. The deeper the purple color, the higher the anthocyanin content. Look for cabbage with vibrant purple outer leaves and crisp texture. If the leaves feel soft or have brown edges, the healing compounds have already started breaking down. Eat 1.5 cups of raw red cabbage daily, preferably with lunch and dinner. The steady supply of anthocyanins provides 24-hour nerve protection. At the end, the evidence is clear. These 5 vegetables can transform your nerve health when prepared and consumed correctly. Start with 1 or 2 and gradually add more. Your hands will stop tingling. Your legs will regain strength. The answer isn't in a prescription bottle. It's in your produce section. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these vegetables do you already eat, and which one surprised you the most? Have you ever felt a change in your body after adding more greens to your meals? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.